Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing two innovative smart sneakers, Nike Adapt BB versus Puma Fit Intelligence. Let's see which of these high-tech shoes offers the best features in 2025. Let's kick things off with the Nike Adapt BB. This sneaker revolutionized the way we think about footwear with its self-lacing technology. The Adapt BB features a power lace system that adjusts the fit of the shoe automatically based on your preferences, offering a customized feel every time you slip them on. The shoe is equipped with app control, allowing you to fine-tune the fit using your smartphone. Additionally, the Nike Adapt BB comes with advanced cushioning for superior comfort and support during basketball games or everyday activities. The shoes are also designed with performance in mind, offering great traction, stability, and lightweight construction. Now, let's talk about Puma Fit Intelligence. Like the Adapt BB, Puma's smart sneakers also feature self-lacing technology. Puma's system uses Fit Intelligence to provide a tailored fit that adapts to your foot shape throughout the day. The shoe has an integrated app that lets you adjust the tightness in real time, ensuring comfort and support wherever you go. Puma Fit Intelligence is designed with a focus on fashion and functionality, providing a sleek look with premium materials for both performance and style. One of the unique selling points of the Puma Fit Intelligence is its battery life. It promises longer-lasting use, which is essential for people who are always on the go. So, how do they stack up against each other? Nike is all about performance and is a fantastic option for athletes or anyone seeking high-tech features that enhance their game. The Puma Fit Intelligence, on the other hand, focuses on a balance between performance, comfort, and style, making it an excellent choice for those who want a sleek, stylish, and functional sneaker for everyday use. Which smart sneaker would you choose? The high-performance Nike Adapt BB or the versatile and stylish Puma Fit Intelligence? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.